So now next is cash. Let's move on to cash. Let's look at the cash book. Alright, so to know the cash accounts, if you want to know the various cash accounts that your company have, this is where you come to. This is cash accounts and then cash history. So let's just click on the cash accounts. Alright, so over here you see cash, and you have the Bureau Bank and then the Adroit Bank. So if there are other accounts, it will be shown here. For example, if you have an account, a bank account at Bank account, whichever bank, it will be shown here. Now let's go to double entry. Here is the double entry. So if you want to make a transaction, let's say you want to pay for electricity, this is where you come to. So you select the electricity accounts, that is if you have it. So this is electricity bill. Alright, then you key in the amount, then the corresponding account, if it's cash, if it's one of the banks, either Adroit Bank or the Bureau Bank. Alright, so whichever you select that one, and then the corresponding account, you key it in, then you add to batch, and then you process. So this is how you do the double entry, and as you feed the information, it goes into the trial balance, and then it reflects in the other reports, that is the income statement, and if necessary, if it's supposed to reflect in balance sheet, it reflects in the balance sheet as well. So this is where you do the double entry. There's another way of doing it. That one, it's quite simple. You just come to transactions, then cash expense. That is for expense, cash expense, general expenses. That one you don't have to do the double entry because it has been done already for you. So whether it was paid from cash, Bureau or Adroit Bank, you select whichever. So this is just for expenses, telephone expense. So let's say we're paying from the Bureau Bank an amount of 20 cedis. You check the date, don't forget to check the date. So 28 December. Alright, then process. Alright, so as you can see, it's been processed here. Likewise, fixed assets. So this is for expense, and this one is for fixed assets. So if you're purchasing any fixed assets, this is where you come to. Or if you have to make payments for any fixed assets, this is where you come to. So maybe you're buying more motor vehicle. You come here, you pay with cash, say 2,000 Ghana cedis. Then that must be a very cheap car, 2,000 Ghana cedis. Check the date as well. So December 28th, process. It's been processed. So you can go into the reports and then check, and you find them there. Fixed asset, like they reflect in the trial balance and reflect in the balance sheet as well. So this is concerning cash. Talks about the cash book, the double entry, and then the more easy way, the easier way of doing the cash expenses. So the general expenses, and then the fixed assets.